Hello, guys. Welcome back to Prime Profit, your own channel. Today, we are again going to discuss about the crypto market. And let's start with BTC. BTC right now is $26,000, near $26,000. And there are few things which can really make the market volatile. I'll discuss that with you. Before that, I would request you to please subscribe the channel and hit the like and notification also, so that you can get the notification as soon as possible. So please do that. It gives us motivation to make videos for you. All right, so let's go into the video. Binance. Right now, the Binance coin, which is BNB, is bit stable. CZ has done a lot to make it stable. It's a little bit away from $200, but you never know when it's going to hit 200, or maybe it might go below that, because DOJ, Department of Justice, are really after them. They want to take some action against Binance, and this might happen. And if it happens, and if the price goes, BNB price goes below 200, there will be a lot of problems. So if you have any amount, any funds into the Binance, I would tell you to, transfer it to some other exchange or your personal wallet, because if something a big problem happens with the Binance, maybe there might be no withdrawal. I'm not trying to spread FUD, but this is true, and it's better to be safe than sorry, right? So please take an action on this, and if you have a lot of fun into Binance, you can transfer it to some other channel, some other exchange like KuCoin, MEXC. There are a lot. You can do that, or your personal wallet. Also, like where the exchange is concerned, WazirX. Now, WazirX also doesn't seem very good. It's an Indian exchange, but they have stopped the withdrawal of fiat currency. So again, it's a big concern. So again, just before depositing your funds, just take a look at the exchange, what exchange is doing right now, because just to avoid problems. So WazirX, let's see what happens. But WazirX also doesn't seems very good. And now we are heading to September. September month is not very good for crypto. If you see the history, past history, September has always been a month where there are bearish sentiments, not good news coming. Mostly bad news have been encountered in this month. So, and also the very important thing is the first week of September, a lot of ETF applications, the results are going to come out for the ETF applications, like 6 to 7 big companies which has applied for ETF, BTC ETF. The results is going to be out. So if there is again a catch, if they approve it, the market is going to skyrocket. It's going to be a different ball game. But if they are rejected, then the market will go down, and it will be bad for the market. It will be very bad for the market. And also, like, but it seems that they won't reject it, but what they would do is, like, they would postpone it to some other date, like 11th of, so some of them might go to 11th of November. And mostly, at the end of 2023, they might postpone the results. So if this happens, then it won't be very volatile, but it will affect the market a little bit. But if they are rejected, my God, it's going to be bad. It's going to be really, really, really bad. So that's what it is, so just be careful about it and see what happens. I think most of them, the results are coming on the 2nd of September. So just keep an eye on this date and see what's going to happen. And I would say that, lots of whales are eyeing to the BTC, and they want the cheap BTC. They want to accumulate BTC as much as possible. The market is going to be very volatile, so just be careful about it. And I'll tell you one thing: because of this, a lot of people are doing short. But be careful, because what, just to liquidate people, what they're going to do is, maybe there might be a small or a good news, and the market will suddenly go up. for like a very short time, and everybody will be liquidated, and then again it will come down, and then the whales are going to accumulate Bitcoin. So like you have to be very very vigilant about it and look into it, like what's going on in the market. Please don't go for much of futures with a high leverage, because that's not the right time to do. Avoid high leverages. And also there are a few other news, like US government. Now US government wants to make KYC compulsory for even DeFi exchanges, decentralized exchanges like MetaMask and Uniswap. They are doing this because they want to tax that funds also, that BTC and other cryptocurrency which are in this kind of decentralized exchanges, where you don't need a KYC or nothing. Nobody knows who is the owner of these wallets. So they want to keep a track of it, and they want to tax these kind of wallets with the funds also. That's why they are bringing some rules, so that the decentralized exchanges will also be compliance. They have to compliance to KYC. So if that happens, then though, I mean, it won't be very nice, because the beauty of the crypto is that it's decentralized. But if this happens, this might not happen immediately, but it might take some time, like 6 months, a year or so. And if US does it, then US will try to implement it on the rest of the world. So it's going to be everywhere then. This is what they want actually. This is what the problem they have with crypto, because it's decentralized. They cannot track it, because most of the decentralized exchanges, if you have funds, they cannot track it. And they want a track of everything. That's why this is happening. So let's see what happens. And now September is coming. Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. And you have to be very vigilant. The market can be very very bearish in this month, but you have to keep your cool. And I would say one thing, like when everybody says that the market is dead, there's nothing left in the crypto, it's all fake, and then, I mean, people are running away. That's the time to buy, because that's almost the bottom of that market. That's the bottom of the market. Market won't go below that, much below that. So that's the time to buy. And a lot of people, what they do is, when this kind of time comes, they sell and they go away. So this is what it is. And when, like when the market is like really really up, and like there is a super greed on the radar, that's the time to sell. So this is what it is, you have to keep in mind. So I am not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm trying to educate you about crypto. So just be vigilant, active, and see and monitor the market, what's going on. All right, and please subscribe the channel and help us to grow. And keep healthy, and I'll see you in some other video very very soon. Take care. Bye bye.